Welcome to this tutorial on how to create a new project in Canva. When you're logged in and click the Canva icon, you'll be taken to the dashboard with various project starters. To start a new design, click on the big purple Create a Design button in the upper left corner. Then you'll find more suggested designs. You can choose one that fits your needs. You can also search for specific design types quickly. For example, if you want to create a YouTube banner, type YouTube banner to search. At the bottom left corner, you can also import a file or specify a custom size by inputting width and height in pixels, inches, millimeters, or centimeters. That's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you for watching.